Hello folks, I'm going to Esoy Hot Springs today. It's about 11 kilometers from here. We will see there is also a waterfall. Here, this is the main road. Here it goes up the mountain. Really nice road. I will try to film here. Welcome to Barangay Duyan City Shield. I think you are on the right way. Look to that wonderful view, folks. Here to the other island. Palm trees. This wonderful valley with the river. Very nice. Folks, look to that landscape. The mountains, wow. Yes, Cebu Island is also wonderful. Where would I like to live in the Philippines? I don't know, it's everywhere so beautiful. Oh, folks. I love the jungle. Oh, this green. Look to it.
From which country you came from?
I'm coming from Germany.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you. I'm traveling with the motorbike in the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah. And I'm looking for a woman who is owner of a house like this.
So it means you are single, right?
Yes, I'm single.
Oh.
I'm single.
Looking for a girlfriend?
Well, but have to have good house, not poor. What is your name? Freya. Here, first we have to book. When you don't book here, you cannot come. Yeah. And I booked in my high step. And then we have to fill up this form, no? So here I am, folks. I paid the entrance, and after you get, it's 350, you get this bill from the girl. And then you have to walk down here. Look, it's a nice way here with the steps. Here's the way down. It's very good maintained, so I think there is no problem. You only have to walk the steps here. Always put very good shoes like me. This may be the wrong way. Better use that one. Oh, it gets narrow. Because there is also a waterfall. This is really narrow here for big people. Oh, look to that. Look to that. It's a tricky way. It was sure a lot of work to build this. There is the next person. Hello! Do you collect this? I'm Uwe. This seems to be already a pool. Okay. Oh,
That's the hot spring.
This looks nice. Thank you. So look to that, folks. This looks wonderful. Hot springs here. Oh my God.
Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
특별했던 나를 와빠꾸게 한 것만 나를 거울 앞에서 서성이게 만들어버린 너 예전엔 화장도 안 하고 대충 입던 나인데 이젠 어울리는 옷에 관심이 더 생겼어.
하며 나를 비웃겨 근데 나도 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 너 때문에 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어 예뻐져라 예뻐져 너만 내게 빠져들 수 있게 예뻐져 예뻐져 예뻐져라 예뻐져 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져 Yes
지금도 네 모습 자꾸 떠올라 너를 만나러 가고 싶은데 예뻐지고 싶어 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어 다른 곳은 보지마 예뻐지고 싶어 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어 보다 완벽하게 너를 갖고 싶어 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게
After I imagine I go through the hanging bridge. So this is another pool. So now we go to the waterfalls. Security reasons. And over the hanging bridge. Go. It's difficult. It's a funny feeling, no? Woo. This was a funny feeling. Oh. So here we are, going to the... So it's only 200 meters to the waterfalls, but we get wet maybe,
Yeah, we get wet.
because I have my backpack there. How deep is the water?
From the waterfalls, we see the waterfalls, then we need to swim to go to the waterfalls.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Because, you know, the people want to see adventure.
Yeah, the
And
nature.
then when you fall into the water, maybe camera broken.
Yeah.
Hini,
We can
hini.
search the internet.
You have to walk in the water. 200 meters can be long. Okay, nice. From here on, I changed from the mobile phone to the GoPro camera, because after you see why. And the guide carried the backpack until we had to swim. What we now did, we can call also canyoning. This is the first time in my life I did something like this. Beautiful. We could let the backpack beside the river, so there is nobody, so there is no problem. because I enjoyed so much making this video for you. Please stay tuned for the next video. When you liked it, thumbs up. I love you so much. Bye bye, and we see us tomorrow.